Hey guys, welcome to the 51st. I missed it. So, welcome to the 51st Java tutorial. So, today we are going to work again upon our GUI or graphical user interface. But in spite of using the J option pane which we used in the previous tutorial, we are going to use JFrame, which gives us the functionality of using the icon or display method as in our Mac or in the window system. And by that I mean this cross, maximize or minimize icons which are visible to us. So it will be according to the platform. So let's begin. So again it is going to be a 2-file project. So in the first one, first of all we are going to import 3 essential items or classes that we need. For that, first of all we are going to import Java AWT flow layout. So this basically provides us a default layout so that we don't need to set up each and everything by ourselves. And second, we are going to import, let me type it first. So Java X swing JFrame. So this particular class here is going to provide us a frame which will look similar to that of our Windows platform. So the similar cross, minimize and all those icons. And for the third one we are going to import Java X swing JLabel. So this particular class allows us to add images and text to our frame here. So now we are going to inherit our JFrame class. So extends JFrame and let's get to it. So first of all we are going to write super, it's going to take one argument and this will be a title. So this is the title. So this super keyword here is basically calling the constructor of our JFrame, which is a concept of inheritance. Just wait a minute. Someone was on the door, so sorry. Okay, so now we are going to make a constructor here. So okay, no, wait a minute, I messed up, I'm embarrassed, I'm sorry. First of all we are going to make an enumeration here, as you might remember from the previous tutorial. So it's going to be a private one, or you can simply say a variable. So private, and it's going to be a J label because we want to store text in it, and let's name it item. Looks good. And now we are going to build a constructor. So it is going to be public one. So public, and what's the name of our class? GUI. Again, people love me. Okay, sorry again. So it is going to be a public, name of your class, and it's not going to take any argument. Let's give some working space here. So now we are going to write super, and actually I think I have copied that, so no. So super this is the title. Looks good. So now we are going to set our layout here using the method set layout. Set layout, which takes one argument, which is going to be new flow layout, which provide us the basic inbuilt layout of which is built in Java. Okay, I'm missing the parentheses here. Looks good. Now let's add some text into our item here. So item equals new, and let's give space JLabel. This is a sentence. Okay, and let's add an additional feature here. So item dot set tool tip text, and let's say this is gonna appear while hovering. So this like when I'm hovering over this item variable, we are getting this text box here. So for that we are using the method called set tooltip text. It is going to give a similar feature to our sentence here. So till now we have done by this part, and finally we need to add all this stuff to our JFrame here, because I don't know why Java doesn't do it. So using add here, we are going to add the item to our JFrame, or the frame default frame provided by Java. And now in our my throat, just give me a minute. So still my voice is kind of breaking. So in our second class, second file here, again we are going to import the JFrame class. So import Java Xwing JFrame, and then we are going to make the object of our this GUI class. So GUI object equals new GUI and its parenthesis, and again it will change according to what you have selected as the name. So now we are going to give some commands which are necessary for our program to run. So object set default close OPE array operation, and wait a minute, sorry for that, I don't know, I'm not feeling well. So set default operation, and so basically we want to set a default operation when we click on the crosshair. So we are going to use the inbuilt command which is in the JFrame class. So JFrame dot, let me turn on my caps lock, exit underscore on underscore close. Looks good. Then we are going to give the size to our little box there. So object set size, and let's give it 275 pixels by 180 pixels of size. And finally, let me do it quickly. Visible, set visible, it's true. So this particular thing is for making our box visible. Without it, it won't be visible. So let me show you how it looks. So as you can see, this is our text box, and we are getting, this is gonna appear by hovering, whatever it is. It's kind of a tongue twister. And you can see we are getting default Windows buttons here, and on clicking close, it's getting close. So see you guys in the next tutorial, and again we are going to continue from here only. So make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.